Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sir Axilang, Grade 9 Mathematics, Quarter 4, Lesson 1, the sixth trigonometric ratio, learners. The sixth trigonometric ratio. So, six trigonometric ratio are used in a right triangle. So, if we will have right triangle A, B, and C, okay? So, again, to name the sides of a right triangle, so we are getting the name of the side in our opposite angle. So, this angle A, ang opposite side niya ito. So, we name it as small letter A. Then, this angle B, we name the opposite side as small letter B. Okay? And C, the capital letter C, the opposite side is the hypotenuse, the longest side, and that is our C. Now, so that's how to name our triangle. Now, in getting the sixth trigonometric ratio, we have to identify our two given acute angle. Why? Because this will be our reference. So, from here, so let's have our angle A to be our reference and name it as our theta B. So, using this, so angle theta, this side, small letter A, is the opposite side of our theta. Okay? Then, the adjacent side for our theta is this one. This is our adjacent. And our hypotenuse is the longest side. So this is the name of the parts of a right triangle having blue or the theta as our reference angle. Now, in getting the sixth trigonometric ratio using our theta, so first we will have sine. So sine theta, which is blue, is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. And that is equal to, our opposite is the small letter A over C. Then, cosine theta. Our cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. So that is equal to, adjacent is small letter B over the hypotenuse C. Then our tangent theta, so that is opposite over adjacent. So opposite ng tangent is A over B, adjacent. Okay. Now, the other three ratios are the reciprocal of the first three ratio. The reciprocal of sine is cosecant theta, and that is equal to hypotenuse over opposite, and that is C over A. Then, the adjacent of cosine, the reciprocal of cosine theta, cosine ratio is the secant theta, and that is hypotenuse over adjacent. So, this is equal to C over B. And for our cotangent theta, so we have opposite, adjacent over opposite. And that is equal to B over A. What if our reference angle is angle B or the red one, the red theta? Okay. Using the red theta, so our opposite will be this one. Okay. That is the opposite side of the red theta. And the adjacent will be this one. Adjacent side. And our hypotenuse is still the same. Because hypotenuse is the longest side of a right triangle. Now, referring to our red theta. So our sine theta now will be opposite over hypotenuse, that is opposite B over C. Then our cosine theta will be adjacent over hypotenuse, that is, sorry, baka malito kayo. So add over hypo. So that is opposite, adjacent is A, hypotenuse is C. Then our tangent theta, so that is opposite over adjacent, so that is equal to B over A. Then for the reciprocal, so that is cosecant theta is equal to C over B. Then secant theta is equal to A C over A. And for our tangent theta, that is equal to B over A. Illustrate the sixth trigonometric ratio of triangle cut. So given this figure, triangle cut, so we're going to list down the sixth trigonometric ratio. So we have sine theta, we have cosine theta, we have tangent theta. So this is equal to, so we have opposite over hypotenuse. So this is adjacent over hypotenuse. And this is opposite over adjacent. Now, to substitute this part of the triangle, so let us name our sides. So this is our reference angle. So therefore, our T is the opposite. Then, this is our angle. Our C is the adjacent. Then, our A is the hypotenuse. Okay. So, let's substitute. So, opposite is T over A. Then, cosine, adjacent, that is C over A. And for tangent, that is opposite T over C. Then, for our reciprocal, okay, so we have cosecant, we have secant, and we have cotangent. So, you will just reciprocate the first three. So, cosecant will be T, A over T. Then, secant will be A over C. And tangent will be C over T. Illustrate the six trigonometric ratios given the measurement of triangle JIM, having this as our theta as our reference angle. So, hindi ko na isusulat yung mga opposite over hypotenuse para masanay kayo. So, sine theta is opposite over hypotenuse, that is 6 over 10. So, kahit hindi nyo na siya i-simplify, okay lang. Then, cosine theta, that will be adjacent. This is 8 over 10. Then, our tangent theta is opposite. That is 6 over 8. Then, for your reciprocal, so this is cosecant, secant, and cotangent theta. So, reciprocal, that is 10 over 6. Reciprocal, that is 10 over 8. Then, reciprocal ng tangent, that is 8 over 6. So, these are the 6 trigonometric ratios for the triangle JIM. Complete the illustration of triangle HAM by labeling the missing sides on the right to find the value of other trigonometric ratio. So, sabi ko kanina sa inyo, ang pangalan ng angle ay capital letter at ang pangalan ng side opposite that angle is the small letter. So, M is the angle and the opposite side is small letter m. Then, here, our hypotenuse, opposite of the right angle, capital letter A, and our hypotenuse is small letter a. Then, so given ang sine 64 which is m over a, cosine 64 degrees is r over a, tangent 64 is equal to m over r. So we are just getting the reciprocal of the given. So sine, that will be a over m. So a over m. Then cosine, that is a over r. Then for our cotangent, that is r over m. Use the figure below to answer the following. So using our triangle CAJ, given the acute angle 52 degrees. So number 1, what is sine 52 degrees? So we have sine 52 degrees is equal to opposite. So this is, or ang name niya ay pangalan ng kanyang side. So this is AJ. Side AJ over the hypotenuse, side CJ. So that will become AJ over the hypotenuse CJ. So ang pangalan naman dito ng side ay yung pangalan ng kanyang line segment. Number 2, what trigonometric ratios illustrate AJ over CA? So based on our reference, so this is 52 degrees. So we have AJ that is opposite, and CA is our adjacent. So what trigonometric ratio for opposite over adjacent? So that is equal to, from so ka to opposite over adjacent. So that is tangent. Tangent theta or tangent ratio. So the answer is tangent. Number 3, what is secant 52 degrees? So secant 52 degrees, so we have the so ka to cho sha kaw. So alin dito ang ating secant? So itong sha. So that is hypotenuse over adjacent. So that is equal to, anong ating hypotenuse? So from our reference, hypotenuse is CJ over adjacent, this one, that is CA or AC. Number 4, what trigonometric ratio illustrates CA over CJ? So based on our figure, our CA is the opposite, and our CJ is the hypotenuse. So in our SOHCAHTOA, so our given is CA, which is opposite, over CJ, which is the hypotenuse. So from our SOHCAHTOA, opposite over hypotenuse, that is sine. So our answer is sine. Number 5, given AJ is equal to 4, CJ is equal to 5, AC is equal to 3, what is tangent 52 degrees? So first, we are going to label our triangle. So what is the measurement of AJ? AJ is 4. Then what is the measurement of CJ? That is 5. And what is the measurement of AC? That is 3. Okay, looking for tangent. So tangent theta or tangent 42 degrees, that is equal to, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So this is equal to, ang opposite side is 4 and our adjacent side is 3. So the answer for tangent 42 degrees is 4 over 3.
Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell para sa mga bagong video sa upload ko. Thanks for watching!